How to change your username in Ultimate Golf. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Your username is your identity in the Ultimate Golf game, and if you want a fresh new one, here's how to do it step by step. Launch open the Ultimate Golf application on your device and make sure you are in the home page. Once you're in, go to the top center of the screen and tap on your avatar. Now you'll come across this page where you'll need to click Change Name and Image. On the next page, it will take you to your settings. Go ahead and get to the username tab and tap the current username. Erase the current username and type in a new one. Once you are done, your changes will be saved automatically. Now you can get back to the home screen and you'll be able to see you have successfully changed your username in the Ultimate Golf game. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.